How pest resistance develops, step by step. Let's continue our discussion on pest resistance. You probably heard stories of farmers spraying the same insecticide that used to work, and suddenly, it doesn't. The pest just won't die. So what's happening? Well, in every pest population, there are always a few special individuals, very rare ones, that are naturally resistant to a certain pesticide. This resistance is usually genetic. For example, they might have enzymes that can detoxify the chemical, so the poison doesn't kill them. These rare individuals survive, while the rest die. Let's look at it step by step. Step A. In a normal pest population, almost all are sensitive, we'll call them black pests. But maybe 1 in a billion is resistant, the red one. You spray insecticide A, boom. Most black pests die, but the red one survives. Step B. The red pest reproduces, passing on its resistant genes. Now, the next generation has more red pests. You spray insecticide A again. Most of the blacks die again. The reds? They survive again. Step C. Each new generation has fewer blacks and more reds. Eventually, red pests dominate the population. The whole population is now resistant. Insecticide A is no longer effective. That's how resistance builds, slowly, silently, genetically. But there's more. Imagine these red pests move to the next village. Farmers there, unaware of this, spray insecticide A, and boom, nothing dies. They're shocked. It used to work fine just last season. On the flip side, migration can sometimes help too. If black, non-resistant pests move into a resistant area, they may reduce the overall resistance of the population. But that depends on many factors. The key solution? Use a different insecticide with a different mode of action, MOA, and a different chemical class. Just changing brands is useless if both products work the same way inside the pest body. Rotating between different MOAs keeps pests from adapting. It's like changing the weapon every battle. If they're shielded from spears, try arrows, hammers, or nets. Of course, real-world resistance takes time. It's not instant, but once it begins, it's hard to reverse. That's why understanding resistance is essential for every farmer.